Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very simple braid. It's called fishtail and it's again one of my favorite braid because it looks so pretty, so cute. I was thinking there are so many hairstyles we can create by adding up different braids together, but before that we should know the basic hairstyle. So today I'm gonna show you a fishtail braid, and if you like this braid, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. I'll be very happy. And if there are any suggestion, any feedback, please comment below. I'll be replying to your comment. So let's get started.
So I'm gonna take all my hairs on the left shoulder and I'm gonna tie all my hairs up here because left side is easy for me. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna divide my hair into two equal parts. Make sure you make two equal parts because then it will look even braiding. And now first we're gonna take a very small section of hair from left side, pull over the strand, and I'm just gonna add into the right side. And now I'm gonna take a small section of hair from right side, cross over, and I'm just gonna add into the left side. Just go slowly guys and just hold it tightly once you add. And now I'm again gonna take a small section of hair from left side, pull over the strand and slowly add into the right side. Then repeat the step and add the small section of hair from right side to the left side. It is so easy, you just need a little practice. And now I'm just gonna repeat the steps. Just keep adding the hair from both the sides, and after adding the hair, just hold the two strands tightly. Just keep adding guys. Really, this is so easy. And now what we gonna do? Now we are here. I'm just adding all the hair slowly. So I'm almost done guys, and just repeat the steps. I am still kind of nervous. Yeah. Okay, so then what we're gonna do, and I'm just gonna decide where to end the braid and just gonna secure it with the elastic. That's it. And now look at that. And remove this elastic because we don't need it anymore. And now what we're gonna do, the cool part of the braid is just pull the hair from both the sides slowly because it's gonna give a fuller and softer look to your braid. This is how fishtail looks cute. Do it slowly. I really love this part. I actually don't get so much time to braiding and all. Like most of the time what I do whenever we go out and I sit in the car, when baby girl is in the car seat, then I just do it like so fast. This is so easy actually, and also my favorite braid. So guys, we are done. Thank you so much guys. So I'm just gonna show you a closer look. Oh yeah, so this is how it gonna look. Please do try it, and please follow me on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook. Till then, bye bye. I'll see you in next video.